Hello dear viewers, today we embark on a journey into the depths of spirituality. Have you ever wondered what benefits the search for God can bring us? Let's explore together how God can enrich our lives in various ways. One of the most fascinating aspects of spirituality is the inner peace it can offer. Through meditation and prayer, many people find an inner serenity that helps them navigate the storms of life. The belief in God often gives life a clear sense of meaning and purpose. This spiritual journey can provide a lifelong guiding principle and help us answer deep questions about why we are here and what our purpose is. The search for God often creates a supportive community. People who unite in their spirituality often experience a deep sense of belonging and support, especially in difficult times. Spirituality becomes a source of hope and resilience. Believing in something greater can give us the strength to persevere even in the darkest moments. Overall, the benefits of spirituality, particularly the belief in God, offer a profound enrichment to life. We invite you to reflect on your own experiences and share your thoughts in the comments. Until the next video, may your spiritual journey be fulfilling. End credits with channel logo and call to action. Subscribe, like, comment.